Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time to be on my channel, please like, share and subscribe for more videos on this channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to stay connected Wi-Fi passwords using barcode scanner, using QR code scanner, sorry. So go to Play Store. Okay, QR code scanner. Yes, that's it. So take this QR code, this one. Yes, install. Just wait a few seconds as it installs. Okay, it's done installing. So now go to settings. Okay, click on Wi-Fi. Okay, as you can see, I'm currently connected to ADA. So click on this QR code. Use password to verify if you are the one using your phone. Okay, once you have this, screenshot. Let's edit it. Okay, go back and open that QR code scanner that we just installed. Okay, here it is. Open it. Allow permission. Okay, we're going to be choosing the picture from gallery. So okay, take screenshot. So here is the password of the Wi-Fi. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe for this channel.